If we still think that a lot of prayer and fasting is gonna bring justice, then we're wrong. Is prayer and fasting like is not gonna bring justice. The justice that our people needs to get, it is the justice that needs to be reasoned out.
Sure.
Daar's mense wat accountable gehou moet word.
Ik hoor jou.
En de ou soos Engels Bakken respecteer ek. Want massa mense spring na die Kaap toe. Maar ek meen hulle skiet nog heeltyd. Hulle skiet nog heeltyd. As dit 'n politieke insweer, sou die politieke stelsel moet heeltemal verander. In feite, daai justice kan alleen net regkom wanneer die justice system moet terugkeer.